If you're just starting out with your first website, you might be wondering, is NameHero beginner friendly? Let's break it down. The short answer is yes. NameHero offers a smooth setup process that's great for beginners. Once you sign up, you'll get access to a clean, easy to use dashboard and cPanel. From there, launching your website is pretty straightforward. They even include a one-click WordPress installer so you can get a site online in just a few minutes. They also use they also give you free SSL certificates, automatic daily backups, and malware scanning, which means you don't need to worry about paying extra or figuring out technical add-ons. Everything you need to run a secure, fast site is already baked in. What makes NameHero stand out for beginners is their speed. A lot of entry-level hosts are slow, but NameHero uses light speed servers and NVMe storage, so even new websites load quickly. That's great for user experience and SEO, even if you don't know how to optimize performance yourself. And when you hit a roadblock, their 24/7 support is actually helpful. Unlike many bigger companies, NameHero has a smaller support team that actually knows the product and gives real answers, not just canceled replies. So if you're beginner friendly, you're looking for beginner friendly, reliable performance, strong features, and support that doesn't leave you hanging, NameHero is definitely a solid pick. If this helped you decide, give the video a like, subscribe for more hosting tips, and drop any questions in the comments below.